of course, discuss with me about the subject on the theme on which the workshop was to be organized. And a very relevant one when we talk about environment or anything related to environment. If we talk about things, like if we talk about something which is nobody can be very sure of, that when did human civilization start? Okay, whether it was the Adam or it was the Eve who came first. But the way it gets started, it's the hen or it's the egg or it's the the hen which came first. So all these things where you can have perceptions, you can have your thinkings and your thought process, but cannot be absolutely as in law before giving a judgment. The judge is 100% confirmed of the fact, and based on those evidences, a result is being coming out. The judgment, as you call it in your legal language. You cannot really judge on certain things that where did the civilization start. We have our history, we have prehistoric times, etc., etc. But one thing for sure is that till whichever day, because of a fallout of anything and an earth came out in this universe, one thing for sure is it had an environment. Right? Whether we had the Mughal era or the English-British period, or we had much the prehistoric period, but even at that time, environment was there. It is there today. Not too sure now till how long it will remain. With the pace, with the kind of field as the human race is progressing, I feel that we are really challenging the environment. Really challenging the environment. When I was your age means when I was in college, and absolutely good 30 years, more than 30 years back, of course, say 30, 32 years back. And when I really look at the weather of Delhi at that point of time, there's a marked difference in these 3 decades itself into what it used to be earlier, what it is now. So unless we really do something, we need to, the more and more we keep challenging the environment, I think so our coming race is going to be challenged. If you wish, that your children are going to be breathing even a better air to what you are breathing today, you need to start working for it right from today itself. I think so when it comes to some certain things like this, India still is very backward, I'll say, in that thought process of the Indian population. As much as the population of not other countries, especially the Western countries, they have become so well aware of the fact that if they do not do this thing today, tomorrow is not going to be there for them. And if this thinking comes into your mind, that what's it? I am not going to be living tomorrow, so let me do whatever I want to do today. Then don't get married, don't have children, because the children are going to be there. They are going